brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel, Be Like Christ. I'm Brian, and I have used the animal-based diet to keep my autoimmune conditions in check, and I'm doing phenomenal on that. But are you tired of feeling hungry all the time? A meat and fruit diet can be incredibly satisfying when you know how to build filling meals. Today we're sharing high protein meal ideas and to keep you feeling full and energized. The video will explore various meat and fruit combinations, cooking techniques, and tips for satisfied on a meat and fruit diet. So there's a power of protein that's incredible. So protein helps you feel satisfied for longer. The power of protein is it's essential for building your body and maintaining your muscle mass. You can boost your protein and your metabolism and add weight in the weight amount. Decrease weight when you are on this type of diet. Meat and fruit combinations. Explore various meat protein such as beef, lamb, and bison, because it's more dense than other meats like chicken or even fish. It has a better balance of the various proteins that are better for you. Alright, there are a large range of fruits available. Citrus fruit is good because it's high in vitamin C. But be sure you find stuff that you are not allergic to. Yeah, we are all different. And some of us have different allergies compared to others. Something I recommend that I enjoy all the time is to cook a hamburger with avocado and some raw cheese and lots of sea salt. But I would also recommend, if you want to do something like a beef stir fry with a fruit salsa, and that works great if you're not allergic to fruit. Sorry, I'm eating the tomatoes. Cooking techniques for your satiety. Grilling and roasting can help lock in the nutrients and enhance the flavor. As long as it's not overdone, if you cook it too high and burn it, that could be considered toxic. But yeah, I don't recommend doing that. Cook things on a low controllable heat, or you can do it like a very fast time. High heat is another way to do it. You can do that too. Cooks faster, but you just are raw if you can handle that as well. I like a raw steak. That's really good. There's a benefit to cooking slowly. It tenderizes your meat and can create some very healthy meals for yourself. You can also make stews. It can be packed with protein, but be sure you limit your seasoning to sea salt and apple cider vinegar, because most seasoning is contaminated, or it has things that could potentially disrupt what you're trying to accomplish. Tips for staying full. Be sure you eat pho and chew all the way through when you eat this type of meals, because you want to taste it, but you also want to break down the food so that you can break that down and digest it. You want to make sure you taste it. Be sure that you hydrate yourself throughout the day, because it gets easily overlooked. If you feel tired, be sure you drink something. If it's really hot, make sure you have some electrolytes and things like that. Then you have fiber helps you keep full too, and satisfied as well. There's also healthy fats can contribute to satiety and overall health. Saturated fats is the highest source of nutrition of fat we need as humans. Beef tallow or butter are a good option. Eggs are another good source of that you can use as well, as long as you're not allergic to them. But you can cook them in some. Be sure you don't overcook them though. Yeah, be cautious with that, and don't use any non-stick pan to cook them. Make sure they have a non-toxic type of container when you cook them. But beef or tallow are fine, and you can also include many types of the other things like salsa with those too. So just to summarize, there's an importance of protein meal ideas, and protein is an essential source of protein. It's so important for your health to get the adequate amount of protein. All right, I want to encourage you to experiment with different meat and fruit combinations to find your favorites. Are you ready to fuel your body and stay satisfied? Discover the power of a protein-packed meat and fruit diet. All right, bless all who watch today. So subscribe to my channel and comment about your experience with the animal-based diet. If you have questions, be sure to register for my free 90-day detox challenge at belikeChrist.net.